Good ball.
Gago ka, boss. Sorry.
Arigo.
Basag-basag.
Sorry.
Short number ni Medina. No good. Rebound by Joel. No good. Rebound by Kurt Almazan. To James. To Kurt Reyes. Blocked by Joel. Good D by Joel. Kasendo ba? Shoutout po kay Kuya Buboy. 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sa akin, boss.
Short jumper ni James. Foul.
Leeg.
Foul by jersey number
Sa leeg.
0.
Wow.
Move by Matusalem. 2 points. Matusalem. 9 minutes and 6. To Joy taking the pala. To Dexter, wala, rebound by number 7. JP. Taking 3, no good. Rebound by Matusalem. Good ball. Matusalem na naman. Good ball, block. To Kurt. 15 seconds to shoot. Wow. Foul by jersey number 7. First person foul. 8 minutes and 33 seconds. 2-0. Oh, taking 3. No good. Rebound by James. Block again by Joel. Good D by Joel Casanova. Grabe kondisyon. James Kamame. James! No good pa rin. James! Wala pa rin. Foul. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Damagan na laban. Score 2-0 pa rin. Short jumper ni Kurt. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Wala na. Team C. Yung matatalo po dito, alam nyo na. Pareha 0-2. Ang mga 0-2, goodbye na po. Maraming salamat na agad. 2-3. Aldrin Punaw. Si Aldrin pala to. 3-2. Intercepted by Joel. The pass to number 10. Wala pa rin. Rebound by James. Ang laking lang. To Kurt. Third jumper. 2 points. Kurt Reyes. Change paper. 4-3. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. No good again. Rebound by Matusalem. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng Team B.
Okay na, boss na. Yung umari.
Sa bigat, mabigat yung power ko.
Mabigat.
Sa power mo.
Reyes. Almazan. Spin around. Shot. 2 points. Kurt Almazan. 6-3. 6-3 na po. Tatlong kalamangan ng Team B. Odell. To Joel. To rebound by James. To Matusalem. Lapas to Reyes. To Matusalem. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala pass to Kurt. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dexter. To Aldrin. Lumitan na si Aldrin. Wala. Rebound by Indian. Out of bounds. Ay, sorry. Wala lang. Team C. Joel. To number 7. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Dexter. Wala pa rin. 5 minutes and 47. Foul by jersey number 22. 6 minutes and 6-3 in favor of Team B. Matusalem to Almazar. 2 points. Kurt Almazar. Grabe ka na, Kurt. 5 minutes and 8-3. Aldrin, sumubok ulit ng 3. Man, 3. Aldrin Bunaw. 8-6, 2-point lead by Team B. Intercepted kaya. Nakakuha ni Boko. Out of bounds. Last possession before change. Score. 8-6, dalawa lamang nyo. 8-6, lamang kayo dalawa.
Good yan, good yan, good yan.
Good ball po, good ball. Last all po yan. Last possession before change. Intercept. Ay, hindi pala. Magkakapi pala yun. Dexter. 10 seconds to shoot. Dexter. Rebound by James. Nauna na si Adrian. Adrian. No good. Rebound by Aldrin. Good ball. Aldrin to Joel. To number 10. Change court na po. Change court. Passed by number 10. Score. Deadlock. All 8. All 8 po. Deadlock. All 8. Deadlock. All 8. Reyes taking 3. No good. Rebound by Kurt. Kurt to Joel. Joel. Nagmamadali. Now pass to Aldrin. Taking 3 na naman. 3!
Tatlo.
Aldrin. Pull
Dos yan, dos.
Grabe talaga mga
Long two
brutal.
lang daw, long two.
Long two. 10-8. Change favor na po. Lamang na po ang Team C. Una na naman.
Ay!
Ay, walang nakasahan. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Team B. Basket by.
Dalawa lang, 10-8, 10-8.
10-8. Dalawa lang po ang lamang. Long two lang daw. Akala ko 20 na. 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Reyes. Sumubok ulit sa press. Ay, long two lang ba? Dos. 2. Deadlock open. Kurt Reyes. All 10. Number 7. Ang ganda pasa kay number 10. 2 boys. Number 10. 12-10. Change favor. Lamang na po ang Team C. Matusalim. Lumipad. Block by Joel. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0. Joel Casanova. Kondisyon. 3 minutes and 8. Grabe talaga. Short number by Kurt. Wala pa rin. Iba by James. Block na naman ni Joel. Pero foul. Foul by jersey number 0. 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Left 10, lamang pa rin po ang Team C. Intercepted. Nauna na. Si Aldrin, touch pass to Dexter. 2 points. Dexter Medina. 14-10. 2 points. Here, James. James Toga. 14-12. 13 seconds shoot. Joy, taking 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by Kurt. 2 minutes and 24. Matusalem. Side slip. 2 points. India, Matusalem. Deadlock. All 14.
Labas na. Knockout.
Knockout. Out of bounds. Deadlock. All 14. All 14. All 14 lang po. All 14. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. So Matusalem pa rin. Matusalem, block, pero may foul. Last 2 minutes. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by James. 1 minute and 56 more to James. Taking long to yan. Wala. Rebound by Matusalem. Ang ganda pasa sa ilalim. 2 points. Kurt Reyes. Change favor. Lamang ng dalawang Team B. 16-14. Allah, hindi nakatingin. Out of bounds. Oras, 1 minute and 32 seconds. Good ball po yan. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Left. 16-14. Reyes. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Almazar. Tupoko. Kumila ng place. Wala pa rin. Rebound by. Wow. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 2-point lead by Team B. 16-14. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Reyes. 14 seconds shot clock. Reyes. No good. Rebound by Almazan. 54 seconds left. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Shot clock violation na po. Labas po.
Wala na. Shot clock.
Wala na. 0. Limabot. Team B, 16-14. Dalawa. Lamang Team B ng dalawa.
47.
Last one na po yan. 45 seconds. Aldrin again for 3, no good. Rebound by Rudel. Intercepted by Aldrin. Lumipas si Aldrin. Wala. Rebound ni James. 30 seconds remaining. 29 seconds. 16-14. Next game po natin, Team D versus Team E. 19 seconds. Shot clock. Boca tumira ng 3. Airball. Rebound by James. Out of bounds. 20 seconds. Shot clock off na po. Shot clock off. Team B.
Kabila.
Shot clock off. 19 seconds. Lamang po ang Team B. 16-14. 19 seconds na lang po. 19 seconds. 19 seconds. Handoff. Start na po ng clock. Rodel, wala pa rin. Rebound by Latin. Good ball po yan. 9 seconds. W. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Ay!